Welcome my dear students. You have seen in my previous videos about charge, electric current, their units, electric potential and potential difference. Now we will further ahead with these related topics. Suppose in previous video we have seen electric circuit. What is electric circuit? Potential, what is electric potential? But all these are symbolized in an electrical installations. They are represented in the form of a diagram. Suppose first of all you have to make a building. That building is first made on paper. That is called naksha. In the very same way, electrical installation of a home or building or a factory is first made on a paper in the form of a schematic diagram or a circuit diagram. Different symbols are used in that diagram for these particular equipments which is being installed on different places. It is like the same way in which a building naksha is prepared by an engineer. In the very same way, an electrical engineer or an electrical expert will draw the sketch or a schematic diagram of the given installation which is being used by certain symbols. Suppose, first of all, you have to use wire, electrical wire. This symbol is used for circular coil. It is a symbol used for circular wire. It may also be used by a straight line. I am writing here, or this symbol is used for both. These symbols are used for circular wire. Now you have to use bulb. It is a symbol used for lighting equipment, bulb. This is the symbol for resistance. We will later discuss it in detail. For sake of definition, resistance is the obstruction or hindrance provided by the conducting material or conducting wire during the flow of charge is called resistance. Resistance is the obstruction or hindrance provided by the conducting material during the flow of current. during the flow of current or flow of charge is called its resistance. Its SI unit is ohm. Its SI unit is ohm. So the resistance, a symbol of resistance, is written in this format. It is a symbol used for variable resistance or rheostat. This symbol is used for open key or switch It may also used or blank bracket. This symbol is used for open key, open circuit switch या open circuit switch or open circuit or open circuit. Now this symbol is used for closed circuit. Or closed key or closed circuit. When you use ammeter to measure the magnitude of the current in the given circuit, this symbol is used for ammeter. And if you measure under which potential the instrument is working, you have to measure its potential difference, for which voltmeter is used. You have to use this symbol for voltmeter. If you have to detect the current in the circuit, the instrument called galvanometer, this is the symbol for galvanometer. Galvanometer. You may go through your books, certain wire jointers may be used, or wire overlapping, wire jointer. This symbol is used for wire joint, wire overlapping. These are the symbols generally used in a schematic diagram. Okay.